OSOL as well as the contract checking.
Yeah. So there are cases where OSOL has extra parameters on a function which is not used. For example, a POSIX wrapper has an extra argument on a function, and it's commented that this particular argument is not used for POSIX because it's not meaningful. And we have to handle it manually. There is no automation support at this point. Yeah. So there were, in this case, there were special error codes coming from a particular operating system, but the error code must be abstracted further so that the high-level layers don't know whether it's a real-time OS-specific error or is it a VxWorks error. So if there are no abstraction, then this will point as an error. In the contract checking will say, yes, if you use the VxWorks implementation, you get this error code which is not coming from other wrappers. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
Any other questions?
Although you weren't really presenting on OS operating system abstraction layer specifically, but am I to take it that each of these wrappers results in a separate copy, a separate maintainable copy of the module?
That's right. Each wrapper is...
Why don't you just use a single code train and conditional compilation, and then you wouldn't have to worry about, different returns?
But the conditional compilation is a good idea, but it can very quickly go out of control, right? There's many projects where conditional compilation is a nightmare. That's why they tend to have abstractions, like you have a standardized API documentation, multiple interface, no conditional compilation issue, because conditional compilation works pretty good if you have only a few parameters, but as soon as you have a lot of parameters to manage, which was the reason why they redesigned the architecture based on the heritage analysis. That's a good point, but the architecture wants to really avoid the usage of conditional processor as much as possible.
Okay, thank you. We are very behind schedule.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.